Ever tried streaming music in your bathroom and your Wi-Fi said, "Nope, not today." Or you blast music in the living room, but your kitchen's still stuck in 1999? You want epic sound in every room, right? But your old amp? It's basically a potato. Bluetooth drops faster than your motivation on Mondays. You plug in wires and become a human spaghetti monster. And Multiroom? More like multi-headache. Let's be honest, your smart home isn't that smart. But wait, what if I told you? There's a tiny box that fixes all this? Meet my secret weapon, Arylic A30 Plus. It's so compact, it hides better than your snacks. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay, this thing speaks every language. Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music. Pick your poison. Supports lossless audio, no more potato chip sound. MP3, FLAC, WAV, AP. Bring on the alphabet soup. Control everything from your phone. No PhD required. Multi-room, multi-zone, multi-awesome. Stream music in the kitchen, rock out in the garage. Bathroom concerts? Absolutely encouraged. App for iOS and Android. No one's left out. Plug in USB, NAS, or just yell at your phone. Even your grandma can use it, probably. Built-in speaker protection, no more crispy speakers. Perfect for bookshelf, ceiling, desktop, garden speakers. Yes, even your car can join the party. Advanced circuit design, because science is cool. Stable streaming, even when your Wi-Fi is moody. High-res audio so good, dogs will notice. Tiny, but packs a punch, like an audio ninja. Looks sleek, your friends will think it's art. Setup takes less time than making instant noodles. Control every room with one app. Flex on your guest. Supports DLNA, UPnP, QPlay, Techies, Rejoice. Line in, USB, LIN, AUX. If it exists, it connects. Your speakers, but smarter, like way smarter. No more fighting over the aux cord. No more running cables through walls or pets. No more dead zones. Music everywhere. Your home, now a concert hall. Your office, now a vibe zone. Your garden, now a festival. Your bathroom, now, well, still a bathroom, but with better sound. Got high audio knowledge? This thing keeps up. Audiophiles, prepare to ascend. Smart home users, welcome to the future. Even commercial setups, restaurants, shops, you name it. Minimalist bamboo design, Mother Nature approves. EQ control in the app. Tweak it till it's perfect. Remote control, of course. Your music, your rules, your rooms. Arylic A30 Plus, the Swiss Army knife of amps. No more tech headaches, just pure vibes. Plug, play, party, repeat. Still using that old amp? Yikes. Upgrade or get left in the audio stone age. Your music deserves better. You deserve better. Arylic A30 Plus, because silence is overrated. Ready to flex on your neighbors? Ready to host the best house parties? Ready to never hear buffering again? Smash that add to cart button or keep living in audio darkness. Your call, Arylic A30 Plus, the only amp with meme level power. Don't just listen, experience. Warning, may cause spontaneous dance parties. Get yours, unleash the music. Thank me later.